Palit ka ng palit ng business? Anak, honest question ha. Ganito ka rin ba? Lagi na lang bagong business ang sinisimulan mo? Let me tell you about Arnel and Pia, a couple who both came home from working abroad to start their dream business together. First, nag-start sila ng online selling. After 6 months, lipat sila sa medical supplies distribution. Tapos, naging buy and sell ng imported goods ang business nila. Nag-try na naman sila ng apparel at saka footwear dropshipping. Then back to general medical equipment ulit. Parang kami rin dati. So Mami and Pia told me during our consultation, parang walang tumatagal na business sa amin. Laging may away pa dahil hindi kami aligned. Arnel and Pia were not lazy or lacking in capital. Alam mo anak, ang problema nila, wala silang clarity. You see, they were chasing every opportunity na nakikita nila online and suggestions from friends. One week, may nakita silang success story sa medical equipment rental. Next week, may nagpo-post about health supplements MLM. The following month, may bagong trending na food cart. Ako anak, familiar ba ito sa'yo? You see, when couples don't know their true business calling, every opportunity looks attractive. Every success story makes them doubt their current path. And every challenge creates tension sa relationship nila. But here's the truth. Growth requires commitment. And commitment requires clarity. Especially para sa couples. Arnel and Pia's breakthrough came when we discovered their real strengths and shared passion. As it turns out, their calling was in healthcare support services. And as it also turned out, Arnel had experience sa logistics. Si Pia naman sa patient care. Kaya ngayon, they run a successful medical supplies distribution business. Hindi na sila lumipat-lipat ng business. They are now focused, committed, and most importantly, fulfilled at kumikita ng malaki. Kaya anak, pagod at stressed ka na ba sa paghahanap ng tamang business? Maraming entrepreneurs ang stuck sa cycle na to, jumping from one opportunity to another, hoping na may tumatama. But here's what they don't realize. Hindi mo kailangan na mas maraming options. Kailangan mo ng direction. Direction para sa business that's truly meant for you sa season ng buhay mo ngayon. So get my book, Discover Your Business Calling. Complete na siya with workbook at personal exercises para tulungan kitang makita ang tamang path para sa iyo. Remember anak, the grass is not always greener on the other side. Sometimes you just need to water the grass where you are. But first, you need to make sure that you are planted in the right soil. So when you discover your business calling, hindi ka na maghahanap-hanap, hindi ka na magda-doubt, hindi ka na rin matatakot na magsabing, ito ako, ito ang business ko. And you will build with confidence, clarity, and peace. So get your copy of Discover Your Business Calling. Visit mominegosyo.com/dybc-book. Let's make this the year you stop guessing and start building with purpose. Kaya, be business-minded, Pinoy.